INAB stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at IN8bio stock, 10% down. From what I'm seeing, the price just consolidating. I've spent 5 figures on course cementers over the last 4 years, called out thousands of quick predictions on my YouTube channel for free. And looking at INAB, the price just... It's been consolidating here for a while, and I've talked about this before, but I'm observing this from a bearish perspective. Not from like having ill intentions towards it. That's not really the point. The point is that I've seen this happen, like, I'm not exaggerating, 36,000 times. So if I see my rules met and there's a double break shift, nothing is stopping me from taking the short here. Because I know, I mean, losses are inevitable, but I'm making money on this on a long enough time horizon, and the more I take, right? So it's obviously not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. If you want to make more money trading in a very simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.